Day 9 of the 30-Day Meditation Challenge. Welcome. People ask me all the time about meditation and mindfulness. Are they the same? Are they different? And here's how I use these practices and how I teach them. Meditation is your daily practice or your daily exercise or your regular exercise that promotes or cultivates mindfulness. And mindfulness is more of a way of being or a state of being, more present in any given moment, and that can lead to more presence in your life. Simply put, mindfulness is about your awareness right now. It's about you being present in the moment without judgment. What do I mean by that? Present in the moment, no evaluating, categorizing, criticizing, no taking inventory. It's very simply just about your awareness in the present moment without any of that judgment. With some practice, we can choose to observe all of those thoughts, worries, cares, concerns, observe what's going on in our body, and observe what's going on around us in this moment. And what that does is it helps to pull your awareness or your thinking out of the future, because that's worry and anxiety. And it helps to drag your awareness or your thinking out of the past, that's ruminating. And it helps you come into the moment and be aware of what's happening right now. So, to that end, let's practice mindfulness today. And just remember, you can use this in a quick 15-second, 30-second practice anytime you need to during the day, just to kind of like check into the moment and whew. And you can use this as an approach to meditation. There's something called mindfulness meditation. So we're just going to practice mindfulness today, and let's see how this goes. Sit comfortably, and we are going to close our eyes, and I'm just going to guide you through a few minutes of mindfulness. Eyes closed. So first, I'd like you to just become aware of what's right around you. That's all. Now that you're checked into what's happening right around you, maybe you'll notice sounds that you didn't notice before. Could be something subtle like the air conditioner or the sounds of traffic off in the distance. I can hear my dog snoring right now, and I wasn't aware of that sound before I started checking in to the moment and what's going on around me. What can you hear? What can you smell? How do you feel? Just notice the temperature of the room. Or if you're outside, is it cool or warm? Is there a breeze? Can you feel the sun? What's going on right around you right now, right now? And now I'd like you to shift your awareness to your breathing. Just become aware of your breathing. I'm not asking you to breathe in any particular way. Feel your breath. Notice the cadence, the regularity of your breathing. Observing, noticing. You might find that shifting your awareness to your breathing does cause you to change your breathing. That could happen. Just observe that. Notice that. And for a few more seconds, just track your mind to your breathing. Pay attention to your breathing, however you're breathing. And now I'd like you to shift your awareness to what's going on with your body right now. So you might notice where your feet are in contact with whatever they're in contact with. You might notice where your body is in contact with the seat or the chair. And now what's going on inside your body? Kind of let your mind wander around, not analyzing, not criticizing, not complaining, just observing. Do you feel any sensations? Just check in with your body right now, right here. No matter how easy or difficult this exercise was for you, this is an example of mindfulness. It's just about bringing your own attention, your awareness, your focus into this moment in time. It takes some practice for most of us, but the benefits outweigh the effort once you get the hang of it. Developing the ability to bring your awareness into the present moment anytime it will serve you, it becomes like a superpower. It can help you become a person that's more responsive and less reactive. It can help you self-regulate, regulate your nervous system. Mindfulness is just simply about your awareness right now with no judgment. Thanks for being here. I'd love to know how this went for you. You're always welcome to leave me a comment or send me an email. And I'll see you tomorrow.